Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VLRX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So overall, a lot of downwards pressure here. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have traded for a while, then I'm sure you've seen stocks where it behaves like this. So there's downwards pressure, and then it just continues to do this the remainder of the day. But in this situation, that wasn't the case. The price actually at least finally started to go sideways, which makes it valid, which makes it a rational thought to have that, you know what, maybe this is some sort of bottom. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish I could say that that trading was this easy. Just because the price got hammered to the downside and then started to go sideways does not mean that for sure guaranteed this is the bottom. My point is at least it's shown some signs that it could be the bottom by going sideways. Again, does that make it for sure the bottom? No, but does that make it a valid and a rational thought to have? Absolutely. So that is why this area here is very important going forward as a support at 34 cents for no other reason other than the fact of, well, if the price crashes down through 34, well, then by definition, that's not the bottom because all of a sudden the price is sitting even lower than where it was. But as of right now, the price did start to go very nicely sideways right up around 34. So for that reason and that reason alone, a very important level as far as this setup is concerned, and whether or not this is indeed some sort of bottom. If it is and the price starts to bounce back upwards, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. Initial level of resistance on any sort of bounce is going to be right there at 40 cents. And if 40 cents can be broken, next key level after that, up at 45. So 40, 45 cents going to be those two key levels. If the price can get some, breaks above those, especially the 45 cent mark, then, that could definitely start to bring in that many more outside traders, set off some scanners, set off some alerts and such, and then bring in that much more organic momentum. But we'll see what happens with it and see if the price can indeed start to get some sort of upwards momentum. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.